Blood Nut Bob is back with a typographic motion graphic.
So way back in 1829, during the Industrial Age, was a time of horse-drawn carriages, dirty chimney sweepers, and the 7th American president, Andrew Jackson.
Who's that?
It was also the year that a man named William H. Page was born.
Good day.
Page grew up surrounded by a bold presence of serifs, slab serifs, and fat faces. At just 14, he begun an apprenticeship as a printer. He traveled across state lines to immerse with different communities throughout his career. No matter where he went, the color choice was always the same, black with red sometimes being added for attention. Fast forward a little to 1852, and William is still driven with ambition as he purchases a manufacturing company from the esteemed Edwin Allen. His innovative designs left an incredible impact, and while he didn't invent chromatic styling, he became the prominent figure in the field. Page was a master of chromatic designs, which was evident through his intricate layering of color. And in 1874, he published an astonishing book called Specimens of Chromatic Wood Type and Borders. The book was a remarkable showcase, revealing a multitude of chromatic type and borders. 17 years on, and William's talent was admired by an astute businessman, James Hamilton, who eventually acquired Page's business, who shortly after the acquisition gained machinery to produce type using the die-cut method. But that is another story. Decades later, William's legacy still remains a source of admiration and inspiration to many typeface designers. William H. Page, the man, the myth, the chromatic typeface legend.